Why is my check engine light flashing? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, none of us like our check engine light to be on. It's a scary thing. But if our check engine light's on and it's on steady, it means we should get it in and get the car checked out as soon as it's reasonably possible. But if the check engine light is flashing, it's warning us that we can cause damage to the vehicle. So we want to get off the road safely and shut it down as soon as possible. Now, typically the reason the check engine light is flashing is because there's probably an engine misfire. And that misfire can cause the catalytic converter to overheat and self-destruct. When the catalytic converter overheats and self-destructs, so does your pocketbook. It's a very expensive repair. So if it's flashing, you don't want to drive around. You want to shut the car off, probably get it towed. That way you don't risk causing yourself a huge expense due to damage. I hope that's been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.